little trip down south for y'all one time. Great state of Kansas. My mama's favorite number. Kansas City, here I come. Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women there. I'm going to get me one. I'm gonna stand on the corner of 12th Street and Vine. Stand on the corner of 12th Street and Vine. With my Kansas City woman and a bottle of Kansas City wine. Well, I might take a train, might take a plane. If I got to walk, you know I'm going just the same. Kansas City, here I come. They got some fine-looking women there. I'm going to get me one, maybe two or three. Woman, I know I'm gonna die. Got to find a brand new baby, that's the reason why. Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women there. I'm going to get me one. So long, bye-bye, 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 baby, I'm gone. So long, so long, so long, so long, bye-bye, 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 baby, I'm gone. So long, so long, so long. Yeah, I'm going to Kansas City, going to my brand new home. I said bye. So long, so long, so long, baby, I'm gone. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. So long, so long, so long, baby, I'm gone. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. I'm going to Kansas City, going to my brand new home. Thank you all very, very much. Yeah. Now, as our producer, Jenny Cash Ryan, promised you, we do have a little surprise for y'all. How many of y'all out there remember the Lindy? Yeah. How about the Jitterbug? Swing dancing in general? Yeah. And we have two of the area's finest dancers, the dance team of TNT. Come on over here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tina Connor, a writer-editor from Washington, D.C., and Mr. Tom Kerner, a practicing attorney of law from Arlington, Virginia. The TNT dance team, one time. Thank you.